friends! Can you guess what's inside my school backpack? Hey! Don't forget me on your first day! Don't forget me! I'm ready for your first day!
We are your crayons. Take us too. We're ready to color.
Take me too! I'm ready to write! Take me too! I'm ready for crafts! I am your glue stick! Take me too! I'm ready for art! I am your water bottle! Take me too! I'm ready for a drink! I am your folder! Take me too! I'll keep your papers safe! I am your lunchbox! Take me too! I'm ready for lunchtime! I am your eraser! Take me too! I'm ready to fix mistakes! I am your sticker! Take me too! I'm ready to make things sparkle!
Bye-bye, friends. Please like, share, and subscribe to MelonKids N Learning TV. See you next time. Bye-bye.